This is a $50 from Barbados. This is a $50 from Jamaica. See, the two of these look pretty similar. Peachish, orangish. Similar colors, similar textures, seemingly similar values. But this Barbados $50 is worth a lot more than this Jamaica $50. This Bajan $50 could get you 2 snack boxes. And this Jamaican $50 could barely get you a snack. This is worth about 60 cents Bajan. This Jamaica $50. So even though it looks similar, even though it feels similar, even though it has the same markings on the outside, it's not the same value. So this is basically a lesson for the children, big people too. So just because you might have the same color, you might be from the same neighborhood, the same country, the same family, your value is different from other people. You're gonna get 2.5 snack boxes. Then you're probably gonna get like a pack of tea for this. I wish it was 2 Bajan $50.